All right, guys, so you own a JK Wrangler. You get in and out all the time, especially in a two-door. If it's lifted, you're gonna scratch the living heck out of the sill plate right down here. So I know with me, I get in and out with boots, cleats, running shoes, ballroom shoes, anything. It's gonna just scratch it and destroy it. And you don't want that because you got a brand new Jeep Wrangler or a used one, but you don't want to look like crap. So today, to fix that, got these Mopar JK door sills. They're gonna fit a JK two-door, 2007 to 2018. These are super durable, plus they feature a Jeep logo in there. Some nice little almost diamond plating looking material on there. Comes in a left and a right side. That also includes a little hump here that's gonna go over that front bolt so you know exactly where to align it. Big difference from just an off-brand manufacturer. It's gonna be a great sill plate. So I'm gonna hop out of here, prep this up, get them installed, and show you some of the benefits so I don't scratch up this sill plate anymore. Now guys, this kit does come with a nice little alcohol prep pad. Now you're just gonna tear this open and we're gonna clean that area. That way the 3M backing gets proper adhesion to the metal there. I've already cleaned it up a little bit with a rag. If you have excess dirt, the alcohol is just gonna give it that proper cleaning and to have that final clean surface. That way we can get it mounted up. So let's clean it up now. Now you really gotta focus on just the bottom section here. That's where the adhesive is. It just goes over this bottom section and then up towards the top. But heck, we got enough alcohol here. I'm just gonna clean it up nice. Okay guys, now I'm gonna let that sit for about 30 seconds, Just let the alcohol evaporate a little bit. Don't worry about it. If you wanna put it right on, it'll still stick perfectly fine, but let's get the sill plate on. Okay guys, so now we've got the left side here. Actually on the back, it'll say L, so just look for that side. It's gonna be your driver's side. To remove the backing of the 3M, just simply grab this nice pull tab here. I can't stress enough how nice that is because you can pick at this for a while to get it pulled off. So just grab it and remove it like that, and then we can stick it onto our sill. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make sure this little bulge here goes over that bolt hole. Push it as close as I can towards the back. And then we're just gonna push on there nicely all the way down. Wow, those things look good already. That looks great. It really contrasts well with the gecko green. If you have a darker color, it'll match really well, but the Jeep logo really means that, it's quality there, but just give it a couple pushes, make sure it's fully seated. Then we can repeat the same process on the other side. Just pull that 3M backing, get it installed, and that'll complete your install. Well, about 10 seconds later, we've got both sides installed. They look great on this Jeep. It's really great contrast with that gecko green. Plus, it's gonna protect your sill. Getting in and out, I can personally attest to this. My 2012 JK sill plates have been beat up. They're black, they're bruised, they're cut up, there's deep gouges into them. So this is gonna protect that, as well as give you a nice, classy look when you get in and out. You can find these Mopar door sill guards, as well as many other great parts for your JK and your JL Wrangler, right here at cjponyparts.com.